Creating a Facebook pixel for your website involves several key steps to enable tracking and optimize your Facebook ad campaigns. Here's a concise guide. Log in. Sign into your Facebook account and navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager. Go to Events Manager. Click the menu in the top left corner and select Events Manager from the drop-down. Select Pixels. In the Events Manager, click on Pixels under Data Sources. Add a new pixel. Click the Add button to create a new pixel. Enter a name for your pixel, your website URL, and click Continue. Choose Installation Method. You can manually install the pixel code, use a partner integration, or use a tag management system. Manually install pixel. Copy the pixel-based code provided. Paste this code into the header section of your website just before the closing head tag. Use Facebook Pixel Helper. Install the Facebook Pixel Helper extension on your browser. Visit your website and check the extension to confirm the pixel is firing correctly. Set up events. Return to Events Manager to configure specific events you want to track, such as page views, purchases, or sign-ups.